Happy hump day, everyone. Quick Wednesday afternoon update. We'll try to make this quick. We do have quite a bit to talk about again. More snow is on the way tonight. Again, not a big deal, but it'll be an inconvenience, certainly, if you happen to be out on the roads later tonight, maybe first thing tomorrow morning. Right now, the roads are fine. It's actually a partly sunny day. It's not helping us much in terms of the temperatures. It's awfully cold out there. Cold-looking day in Columbiana, but you will need the sunglasses to go along with the scarf and the heavy winter jacket this afternoon. I'm recording this at 2:10 p.m. and temperatures are not very nice. 13 Sharon in Newcastle, 14 Lisbon, 14 Berlin Center, and Newton Falls checks in at 15 degrees. The wind chill finally above zero after spending all morning below zero. There's not a ton of wind out there, but when it's in the teens, you don't need much wind to create wind chills that are down in the skinny range, as I like to call it. All right, the snow coming tonight. This is kind of what I've been calling kind of a poor man's Alberta Clipper. This is a weaker version of what came through yesterday morning. This is going to come our way tonight after sunset, well after sunset, and it will accumulate. It'll be below freezing. It'll be coming at night, so even though the snow will be mostly light, it will stick. So here's our high-resolution futurecast. No problems through the rest of the daylight hours. It'll probably start snowing on average around 9 to 10. It's going to be pretty light at first. This is not going to come in like gangbusters by any stretch of the imagination. And then it will snow at kind of varying intensities throughout the course of the night. After a little bit of a break, more snow pivots back in right around midnight, 1 a.m., and still some snow around through early tomorrow morning. I think the snow can linger across the I-79 corridor, perhaps all the way up to 5 or 6 tomorrow morning. So western PA will be the last places to kind of see the snow coming to an end early tomorrow. How much snow are we talking about here? I think an average of an inch seems pretty likely based on our computer models. As you can see, the lines are pretty close together here, meaning the models are in pretty reasonable agreement. That gives us more confidence in the forecast. So I think the most likely accumulation, an inch, maybe a little more than that. I think the most anybody's going to see out of this is about 2, although I guess I can't totally rule out maybe 2.5 in eastern Mercer County. But for the most part, this is a 1 to at most 2 inch kind of a snow event. It is coming at night, and for your commute tomorrow morning, I think, except in western PA, east of I-79 certainly, I think by the time you're up and around 6, 7, 8 o'clock, the road should be improving. It's an inch of snow, and the road crew should be able to keep up with it because it's not going to come in real hot and heavy. Much more on that coming up on Weather for Weather Geeks this evening on my weather blog at wfmj.com/weather. And I'll, of course, have full updates coming up on TV this evening on 21 News at 6 and 11. If you're not by your TV, make sure you can watch with your WFMJ app on your mobile device. You can always find our newscasts streaming live on your WFMJ app. Have a great Wednesday.